Hi, my name is Patricia McAlmont. I'm a home health aide with People Care, and this is my healthy living with WeightWatchers story. I decided to lose weight for my health for one reason. I'm having problems with my knees. I went to see the orthopedic doctor, and his first advice is you need to lose some weight because your weight is too much for your bone structure. I heard about a fun partnership with WeightWatchers at a delegate assembly. I have wanted to join WeightWatchers for a very long time, but I was worried about my finances. The discount I received from $11.99 finally made my membership possible. The things I like about the WeightWatchers is that you can talk to a coach in person or on the app. You can track your sleeping activities, exercise. You have recipes on the app. The meals are simple and you don't feel like you're starving yourself. My goal is to lose 100 pounds. Losing weight will help me walk more because with this weight that I have, I can't move freely. And that's what I want to do the most.